Hello YouTube. Welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost. Today,
Ouch!
we have the Logitech G502 Lightspeed cordless superfluous something, or I don't even know what that means. But okay, we're gonna unbox this and I will tell you about my experience. Again, shiny nice box, as you will observe. Is the box shiny? Do you see yourself in it? Is it a nice little shiny box there? And when you try, you remove the plastic as such, because you think, oh, look at this shiny box. But what happens when you remove the shine, the plastic, the box is simply a box. It's plain. I guess the G502, it's still it glitters in the sun there. Yeah. So
It glitters in the sun, Lucy. You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? It's
almost like an 80s hairband. Like that. Okay, so
you can't
get it open. What? Oh, okay. All right. So you just you put it down, and whoops. Look at all these parts that just fly out. This, I don't know what that is. That it fell off. This is a stand maybe that you can have. See, you just it's so
Stop
sticky.
it! The can't focus on. She ripped the bag open and everything. Ouch!
So you have the stand there.
You can't take the whole bag, pig.
And here,
pretty good.
You also get the little mouse pad included here. This is the little mouse pad. And then you get...
I think it's one of those things that you hang on your door and it's like, go the fuck away, I'm gaming, Mom.
No, it's a mouse pad. And here you get a free coaster. It says the G on it. And here's another coaster, but with a picture.
Ouch!
There's a coaster. Strange looking.
Why do you get so many... What?
They said it was going to be cordless, but what do I see?
I have the receipt.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We have to return this. This is not cordless.
Hi, Percy.
This is obviously the cord. I mean, it's a nice cord and all. It's braided and stuff, sort of thing. And here is one of those boxes. If you roll your cigarettes yourself, then you can have the tobacco in this, and then you just...
Oh, that's nice.
Do this, and then you... Why do you even bother putting them in the... No,
ouch.
I think this is the case for the weights, actually. If I open... It won't open.
Bunny.
Unboxing experience review.
Ouch! It won't open.
Yeah, but this is one of those things where it's like, yeah, well, I want to give the authentic experience. Okay, that wasn't that hard. I'm just being an idiot. Alright, so here's all your weights. So
why does your chin look like that? Ouch!
Ooh, look, they have the you can run it cordless actually.
You're so cute.
And here you have the actual cordless little
Quit trying to steal the bag, you pig.
The little thingy that you have here. And then you have your weights. See? Lucy, weights. Weights. With the little thing. Oh, that wasn't that interesting. It wasn't that interesting. Yeah, well, anyway. And here is another mouse pad if you want to have. There's a hole in it, so kind of useless. And lo and behold,
there's a hole in my bucket.
Here is
mouse pad. Mouse pad. There's a hole in my... What are you doing? Why can't...
Yeah, and here we have the actual mouse.
This is a rabbit.
Do
you need to go back to kindergarten and learn your animals? Ouch!
You need to go back to kindergarten and learn your animals. Alright, so here's the actual cordless mouse. And this part here is for charging. I wonder if it is compatible with... You know, is this USB-C? Or is it USB micro?
The audience will have to answer you. It's micro.
Yay, because then I have a cord.
You hear that, audience? It was a woman that knew what that was.
Yeah.
It's the only time it will ever happen.
Don't get your head wrapped around it too much now. So
What?
here, you know, because women, they rarely do stuff, and that's why...
You hear that, Lucy? Daddy says women rarely do stuff.
Nope, they rarely do.
Show him you can do stuff.
And here we have this.
Be nice to the toad.
Click,
I
click,
told you
click,
to
click.
be nice to the toad.
I wonder, is it click, click, click? Uh-huh. And then...
What is he doing over there anyway?
I'm trying to click and click.
What?
I'm trying to click and click.
Why? Oh, that's right, Lucy. We're doing an unboxing video.
Oh, yeah.
What? I know, I don't understand either, but...
But yeah, no, an unboxing experience
Oh, that's right.
review.
He's reviewing the unboxing experience because people... That is the first thing I wonder when I'm going to buy a product is, what is it like to take it out of the box? Because I don't buy it if I don't find anything that tells me how it is. I mean...
Exactly.
And there aren't a whole lot of things on the internet that will tell you, so I don't buy anything.
Nope. Exactly.
So your father is doing the internet.
I'm doing the internet a service.
You
Yes.
don't say that.
Yes, you do.
Your father has
I
ruined
just
my
did.
English.
It was fine.
Your father does not...
I just said so. That was fine. You want a box? Look. Eat. Is it eat?
Mom won't give me any more treats because I'll get diarrhea if I do.
Diarrhea.
So, if anyone out there is considering getting a rabbit,
Oh,
don't.
I forgot. I realized. Well, if anyone was watching, you have to watch it now, but if anyone was watching the Chromecast unboxing experience review that I did,
When was that?
I forgot to rate it.
Shit!
So, I would give that 7 out of 10 perhaps, and this would be maybe 8 out of 10 because I don't understand half of the materials that comes with this box.
I have told you so many times. You made the rabbit run away. And the cat too.
Yes.
Percy, be nice to the rabbit.
Be nice.
Percy, be nice to the rabbit.
8 out of 10 for this one. And we have another one coming up shortly. So, stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that one. Because, maybe it's musical. Oh my god. Maybe it's like a music instrument.
What?
Stay tuned for this one.
What?
So, yeah. Like,
What?
comment, share, subscribe. I have the...
What?
I have the...
You're supposed to say what again, motherfucker?
Say what again, English motherfucker, do you speak it?
What?
Okay, I don't remember the Bible
Where's the Bible
verse.
verse?
But,
Say a random Bible verse instead.
O ye who I walk through the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for he is with me. 7 out of 10. I have 8 music down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you shortly in the next one. When we do the next one, which might be having something to do
This video is almost 10 minutes long.
That's fine. You know how YouTube is with their viewing hours. I doubt anyone's still watching anyway. And if you are, hi. Thank you for keeping watching.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. 10 minutes.
It probably is your mom, too.
Right. 8 minutes. And 8 out... No.
What are you talking about?
7 out of 10 for the last one, the Chromecast. 8 out of 10
Percy.
for this one. And the next one will follow shortly. So stay tuned, stay subscribed.
Oh, God.
and 8-bit music down below here. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.